Welcome to Lingobuddy, where you can learn, laugh, and speak a new language. We're going to go ahead and click Next on our prototype. We can give our avatar a name. We're going to go with Sam. Hit Next. On this page, this is our character customization page where the child can create their own avatar. They can swap the character and change genders. They can shuffle the character for a new outfit change or just like a random customized avatar. But for this example, we're going to go back and we're going to select the hair color. So we're going to go with pink and then select apply. We went with caramel skin tone, apply. Basic blue jeans and a white t-shirt, apply. And glasses and a little pirate hat, and apply. Once your character is done, you can go back and edit your character, or if you're happy with it, you can click next. This is our home page where we have all of our games and the AI story feature right here. For this example, we're going to click on Listen and Match. Listen and Match will prompt the child on a word that they need to match up with the image. So for this example, it says tigre, and you should be able to click here on this icon for it to say it aloud, and then the child can select their character and then hit next. As soon as they complete all of the lessons, they will get a star rating. If their star rating is low, they can redo the lesson as many times until they get the 5-star rating. Once they have completed the 5-star rating, they have now had an opportunity to unlock a new AI story. This is where they can create their own story based on a theme, so they can unlock various themes as they go along their journey of learning. So we're going to hit next. We give a little list of instructions. First, choose your words and sentences to start building your forest story, and then you get to chat with your Lingobuddy, your AI bot, to finish the story. So we're going to hit next. We're going to name our hero in the story Loka, and hit next. And then on the next screen, it prompts the child to draw their own character, so they get to draw Loka however they want. So we're going to hit next. We have a little drawing board. It's very simple. We have the pencil tool, paint tool, like color chooser, eraser, paint bucket, the like reset button, and then the undo button. For this example, we're going to hit on the pencil. It's going to draw a little character. We're going to hit next, and this is the final character. When you hit let's see, the AI Lingobuddy is going to generate a character for you. This is what it came up with. If you're not happy with the character that it came up with, you can try again and it'll come up with something similar. But for this purpose, we're going to go ahead and go back. We're going to go with the blue character and say looks good. Loka is a brave monster and is walking in the magical forest. Suddenly, Loka hears a strange sound. This is the prompt to our story. We're going to hit next. What do you think Loka sees? A girl, a boy, a fairy, or a ghost? For this example, we selected boy. Loka and the boy run into a fox, zorro, monster, monstru, bear, oso. Next. The monster growls, says hello, or attacks. So for this example, the monster says hello, dice hola. Select next. On the next screen, you can chat with me to create your story. Here we have the interaction with our Lingobuddy and the child. The Lingobuddy asks, what do you want to have in your story? And then translates that in Spanish. ¿Qué quieres tener en tu historia? I want to have unicorns. Quiero tener unicornios. And then the AI buddy will say something back. The child will hold to talk, so they will be speaking the language that they've learned and practice conversational Spanish that way. They can hit save. It asks if they want to save their progress or go back to the chat. For this purpose, we're going to create story. They get a little moment of joy and a congratulations that their story is complete. They can now check their story and they can play their story. They can turn the pages of their story, and it also transcribes the story in English on the bottom. So we're going to play the story. That's the end. They can either restart the story, or if they don't like it, they can go back. And they can go ahead and talk to their AI bot again and go through the whole process again. Okay, once they're done, they can save their story, or they can go back home, which we're going to do now. And then we also, on our homepage, created a user profile so the child can select on their character, and it'll take them to a dashboard where it tells them when they joined, right here, their progress, their daily goals, the level that they're at, and their monthly progress, and they can toggle this to a different date. That we also will have a toggle switch for the parent to click here, and it will open up a parent dashboard which has parental features on it. But for now, we will return home, and that is the end of our prototype. Thank you so much.